Hi, this is Ishfaq Khan, and in this session I'm going to discuss with you how to deal with opening balances in accounting with the help of an example and journal entries. Actually what happens is that sometimes we come across in a situation in which we are only provided with the opening balances. If you have the closing balances of the last years and they are automatically being posted in the current year, so the closing balance of the last year will be the opening balances of this year and it is being automatically posted, then you have to do nothing. However, sometimes we come across in such a situation that we have only opening balances. Like it may be the first year you are posting all the entries to ERP system, or you are in a situation that in which you only know the opening balances. So let's understand it with the help of an example. So in this situation I have opening balance of bank, cash in hand, fixed assets, account receivable, inventory, prepaid expenses, and I have also the opening balances of liabilities as well. So now before proceeding for the journal entries, let's understand that we already know that there is one equation which we call it accounting equation. Accounting equation says that assets is equal to liability plus equity, and if we arrange this equation, so equity is equal to asset minus liabilities. In this scenario we can see that all our assets are over here and liabilities are over here. Equity, and here we have assets this and liabilities this. So here in our case equity would be this minus this. Asset minus liabilities, this is the equity. So this is the amount which belongs to equity. However, here what we are going to do is that we will make one more a subsidiary account or sub account of equity, which we will name it as opening balance equity. So what you are going to do is that you will debit bank and credit opening balance equity with the same amount. So similarly you will do the same entries for the rest of the accounts as well. So what will happen at the end, your assets will be debited with 584,000 and opening balance equity with 584,000. The assets normal balance is debit, so assets is being debited and opening balance equity would be credit. And similarly once you will do all the entries for the rest of the accounts, so at the end what will happen, your assets account will be debited with 584,000 and your opening balance equity account will be credited with 584,000. Now let's proceed for liability section. So the normal balance of the liability is credit, so liability will be credit and opening balance equity would be debit and this will be credit. So the same entries you will do account wise for each account. So at the end what will happen, your liabilities will be credited with 440,000 and opening balance equity will be debited with 440,000. Now what will happen in the opening balance equity account, you have credit balance of 584,000 and debit balance of 440,000. So net at the end your opening balance equity, the balance would be 584 minus 440, which is 144,000. So now in your opening balance equity you have credit balance of 144,000. Now you have credit balance and opening balance equity account. This can be transferred to the equity account, capital account or partners capital account if they are more than one partners according to their agreement or profit sharing ratios.